Hello Painted Wildlife fans, welcome to another adventure. This is the second spring or winter adventure that we've had. The last one we've had in Poland, and today we're looking for 3 targets again. Goosander, Common Goldeneye and the one and only Widgeon, but I think we might find a Widgeon today. Over there on the lake we saw so many species. At the start we got a red-crested potsard, whoever would expect that. We got a beautiful cormorant flying over the lake, and we got one of our species, the common goldeneye, and that's a win. This adventure isn't finished yet though, so stay tuned. We've already included this in one of our videos, but I'm going to read this sign this time. Please help our coolers. Coolers are trying to breed in this field right now. Can you hear their bubbling calls? These are among the most endangered birds in Britain. One pair comes here every year, but their eggs and young are at risk from disturbance by dogs, even nice ones. There is a danger we might lose them forever. It's all kicking off here. There's 2 goosanders over there and a group of goldeneyes with tufted ducks over there. Incredible! Oh, there's one flying away. So last video we were looking for a red squirrel, wild boar and mandarin duck. We only found 2 of the animals. In this video we looked for another 3 species, the goosander, widgeon and goldeneye. We also found 2 species. And comment down below on this video what you want the next 3 species for me to find to be. And maybe whoever gets the most interesting comment, I will search for these 3 animals. So, I've got also one more thing to say. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.